Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add members to your team in Microsoft Planner. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to planner.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your plans and allow you to manage team memberships. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Look for and click on the option labeled My Plans. This will display all the plans you've created or been added to, making it easy to choose which one you want to manage. From your list of plans, click on the specific plan where you want to add new members. This could be a project plan, a departmental workflow, or any collaborative board you're working on. Selecting the right plan ensures that you're adding members to the correct workspace. Once you've opened your plan, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to managing who has access to view and collaborate on this particular plan. After clicking Share, you'll see a menu appear with additional options. Click the Share button once more to proceed. This second click opens up the full member management interface where you can control access to your plan. Now you'll see a new window or panel appear on your screen. In this panel, look for a field named Add Members. This is where you'll input the details of the people you want to invite to collaborate on your plan. The field is designed to make searching for colleagues quick and easy. Click on the Add Members field and start typing either the name or email address of the person you want to add. As you type, Microsoft Planner will automatically search through your organization's directory and display matching results. This intelligent search feature helps you find the right person without needing to know their exact email address. Once you see the member you want to add appear in the search results, click on their name or profile. This selects them as a potential member for your plan. You can repeat this process multiple times if you need to add several people at once. After selecting the person, click the Add button to confirm and officially add them to your plan. The new member will now have access to view tasks, contribute updates, and collaborate with the rest of your team. And that's it. You've successfully added new members to your Microsoft Planner plan, expanding your team's collaborative capabilities. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.